Greetings, YouTube. I'd like to back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel here in Grow Zone 8B, right here in Tifton, Georgia. And in this evening's video, YouTube, in this evening's video, we like to bring you guys along with us for a first time this year update on the two banana trees that we're currently growing out at Easley Island in our front yard garden extended grow area. That's right, YouTube. We've brought you guys a single update on Lead Farmer 73 and Lady Lead, our two banana trees that we're currently growing over on Easley Island in our front yard garden extended grow area this year, YouTube. If you recall from our last video on Easley Island, this is what Lead Farmer 73 and Lady Lead looked like in our last video update.
Easley Island, right here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel, Grow Zone 8B. And although the weather has changed, we are getting some cool temperatures here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. Things are indeed looking well over here at Easley Island. We got a close-up of Lady Lead right here, doing her thing. You guys remember that first video when we first got Lady Lead? If not, I'm going to give you a flashback right here. And that is what Lady Lead was looking like when we first planted her here in this spot. And we'll take this moment to give you guys another flashback at what Lead Farmer 73 was looking like when we first planted him here in this area. And this is what Lead Farmer 73 looks like now.
And this, YouTube, this is indeed what Lead Farmer 73 and Lady Lead, our two banana trees, are currently looking like right here, right now, Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Oh my God, YouTube. Can you see how well Lead Farmer is currently looking right here, right now on Easley Island in our front yard garden extended grow area? Has he grown to a huge size or what, YouTube? We cannot possibly be more pleased by what we see in the way Lead Farmer 73 currently looks like right now in our front yard garden extended grow area here at Easley Island. Next up, YouTube, Lady Lead. Take a look at how much growth Lady Lead has put on since our last video update, YouTube. Bam! Isn't she lovely, YouTube? Indeed, isn't Lady Lead looking fantastic right here, right now, again on Easley Island, right here in our front yard garden extended grow area. We are both looking fantastically well, YouTube, and indeed, what a lovely couple. Thanks for watching, YouTube. And if indeed you currently are watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah. Lady Lead and Lead Farmer 73 right here on Easley Island in our front yard garden extended grow area. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
Time. Pick up the headphones in the booth and say what's on my mind.